This side is longer, just a little bit longer. Straighten the sides. This is just a quick hijab tutorial because I'm running late.
Thank you.
Throw this side to the back. Take this side in half, like that. And then throw this also to the back. Take this and adjust it to kind of match. You know what I mean? This top part, try to not make it too short. For this hijab style, it needs to be a little bit longer. Take a pin and pin this bottom section down. Take another pin and don't pin the front. Don't pin it all the way in the back. Right here in the middle. And that's it. If you're feeling fancy, you can put a little necklace. It looks cutesy. Wait, let me do that. So I'm just gonna add this little detail. And that's it. Now if it's a little bit wrinkly on this section, I would just go in a little bit and straighten it. But I'm running late, so I need to go. Bye.
Bye-bye. Thank you. My heart is so heavy this morning. I waited a family of 7. That somebody went and butchered them like meat, you know, finished them up. And my heart is so heavy. It's just that I promised somebody that I'm going to do this. I'm going to bring this video to them. And you see what she just did is beautiful. It's very, very beautiful. I'm encouraging women to go with hijab because it's more easier to manage your life with going with scarf. But you see the style she just did. I did my own. It's not exactly what she did because I'm very busy. Exactly when if I wake up in the morning, I'm very busy. I don't think I will be going up and down with pin. You understand? That's why you see me with my normal style that I put this way, I tie it that way, wow, I take it back, wow, I took it, I fizzle it a little bit, then I threw it in the front. It's so easier for me because of my active life, very, very active life. And sometimes, like you see me this morning, I'm able to put some pin here, put some brooch here, and put some brooch here. But that's not my thing. I don't have time. I don't have time for all this kind of thing. Just find your thing, your time, your style, what suits you and your routine. And hijab is very beautiful. Thank you for listening to me. My heart is so heavy once again, and I will see you on my next video. Bye bye.